is a little bit dodgy, as in where I'm going to be sitting just down here. So what I tend to do, well, let me just stand back a bit so you can hear me a bit better, because the sound of the water. So what I tend to do on a photo like this, when it's a little bit on the sketchy side, is I'll go down there, set the tripod up first, so more or less where I know it should be, and then I'll just take the camera down with the filters in my pocket, just the ND filters in my pocket. I set the camera up, just what I'm going to do, because obviously I'm not going to be able to show you this while I'm photographing. What I also do is just get my legs around the tripod, sit on this bit of a rock here just to hold myself nice and steady, and then just play with the different shutter speeds and stuff. The sun has been a bit of I ain't say a bit of a nightmare, because it's better than rain, but I'd like it to sort of disappear behind the cloud, just to take some of the highlights off this water. So just to help me do that, I'm going to be using the polarizing filter, and then we'll be using a 3-stop ND filter, just to give me a little bit more control over the flow of the water. Anyway, I'll crack on with that. I'll catch you back in a bit. Just before I go, my composition, what I'm trying to get is this flow of water there, if I can get it, going leading up to the bridge with a mountain in the background which is lovely, covered in snow. But we'll see if I can get all that on the camera. I'll be using a 14 to 30mm lens, so chances are I'll do that. Right then guys, I'll go and do that, and I'll catch you in a bit. Okay then guys, and as you probably can hear, it's nice and windy here as well now. So I've just walked through this bit of a fall here. Oops, steady Stuart, it nearly fell. So we've got this bit of a fall here now. In the picture, in the composition, I'm just getting a little bit of a flow which is over there. Obviously this leading down throughout the frame with this bridge, snow in the background. Quite nice really, right? A lot of, it's a bit of a flat light. I know we keep on about the light, we're never satisfied. But it's a bit of a flat light, but you know, it is pretty good, so I'm happy with it. Catch you in a bit. So guys, we've moved on a walk, and basically all we're doing is following this waterfall up, or this river, whatever it is. The other guys who I'm with have gone up in front. I'll keep stopping to take photographs, as you know I would. It was quite good here, quite nice. Lovely day for it, as you can see. We've got some blue sky about. The forecast on Arran today was 100% rain. Well, it looks like they've got that one wrong, as we ain't seen any yet. We see a little bit of snow in the air early on this morning. This is all melted now. This morning when we got up, all this was covered with snow. It's melting off, and I guess this is what we got coming down here now. Look at that. Absolutely stunning, guys. I've got the camera with me, but I've not brought a tripod, so I'm only going to be snaps rather than my normal type of photography. Where if anybody, you guys been watching me, you know that I tend to slow the water down rather than just freezing it, and that's all you can do without a tripod, to be fair, just freeze the water. Anyway, I'm going to catch these guys up. Another nice fall there, guys. Absolute stunning. Bit of a drop down there though, it's got to be about 20-30 foot. Just come off the edge of where I'm standing. Still, keep away from the edge, that's the business, that's the thing. So then guys, pure power, nature at its best. You just got up this bit of a rock here, a bit slippy this is, so just got to tread a bit careful. Absolutely stunning, guys. Okay then guys, so this climb seems to have flattened out a little bit. Still following the stream up. River, whatever you want to call it. You see we've climbed high enough to be in the snow now. Little bits about, but mountain there. Seems to have plenty on. I don't think we'll be climbing quite that high to get up to there. Look at that, guys. For a small island, this place has just got everything. It's got mountains, it's got lovely sea coasts, it's got these fantastic waterfalls dotted all around the island. It's absolutely gorgeous. There you go. We've done a bit of wildlife photography as well, some birds and some seals. We'll obviously put them up. Right, I'm going to take a quick snapshot of this with my camera, and then we'll catch the others up and see what else is up a bit further on. Catch you a bit, guys. Guys, I hope this is just showing it. This river just rushing through this canyon type thing. It's absolutely breathtaking, to be honest with you, this camera. I know for a fact that this camera ain't going to show you how beautiful this is. It's absolutely breathtaking, guys. I'll just go up a bit first, see if I can just get over the edge a bit more. I'll just switch you off and see what we can do. Right guys, the girls have turned back, so I'm going to turn you off now. And I'm going to head up towards this mountain, see how far I can get up. If you look behind me, the weather is closing in, so I think it is about to rain or snow. It's cold enough for snow, and you can see we got snow up here. But they've got the keys to get back in the van, the girls have. Well, they've got the keys to get back into Leslie's van. I've got the keys to our van. But I'm just going to head up here. I'm going to turn you off now. If I get up of any sort of height, or if there's anything better to see, I'll turn you back on. But you see, it's gone really black. Actually, I can see the rain or snow there. You can actually see the weather coming in. So I'm going to go up here as far as I can. Then I'll just walk back in the whatever is throwing at us. Catch you in a bit, guys. Well guys, unfortunately I'm now on the wrong side of this fall. I need to be on the other side. It looks like it's coming from over there. I am going to climb up this embankment or up this part of the mountain to have a look across, but it is just starting to snow now, so I just got to watch what I'm doing. Obviously I don't want to get stuck up here and have people have to come and fetch me, so I'm going to have a carry on up here. It's really boggy as well here now, guys. It's really wet underfoot. The path's now disappeared. But I'm going to go up that part anyway. I'm going to have me walk up there and just see if anything, just so I don't photograph it coming backwards, and we'll see how we get on. Catch you in a bit. And then guys, it's just been hailing. Oh, that sun's gone now. I'm just don't know where we look. We got this dark sky over the top of us, so I should imagine at some point it's going to really come down. It's looking a little bit clearer on the way back. I don't know if this is picking the snow up, but still I'm going to carry on onward and upward. Bit of a fall there, guys, so down there it's just a bit of a fall. I'm just going to go to this level part. Then I'm going to photograph some of these hills. Then I have to make my way back down. I think to climb up one of these on my own is a bit stupid, really. So I'm going to get to where this big boulder is over there. If I can just get to that part there. There's no path now. You're just treading it out to the best you can. Oh, yeah. So the walking's got a bit harder now. Still, just go up a bit further, another 100 yards or so I can just photograph the surrounding snow scene. Okay then guys, and after I took this photograph, I did make it back down the mountain, back to the van. It absolutely poured it down the snow on the way back, but we got down okay. We'd just like to thank you guys for all support and the kind words you're leaving on our site. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, it does cost nothing. Cheers guys, catch you next week.